Hello, I'm Vlado Dubovic, and my project is to determine and analyze the protein markers on peripheral blood mononuclear cells of people who've never smoked, who used to smoke, and those who currently smoke. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, also known as COPD, is currently the third leading cause of death worldwide. It is characterized by poor airflow and it worsens over time, resulting in emphysema. Emphysema is when there is damage to the air sacs of the lungs, or alveoli, thus preventing the body from getting all the oxygen it needs. In addition to aging, cigarette smoke exposure, or CSE, is the most common risk factor for COPD. Several of the articles that I've read, for example the one titled Role of Macrophage Migration Inhibitory Factor, Age-Related Disease, it was mentioned that MIF CD74 numbers decrease as a person ages, making them more susceptible to COPD, since the number of MIF determines the susceptibility. Despite the prevalence of this disease, specific therapies are limited. Therefore, my project will be to see what intracellular protein markers are present on peripheral blood mononuclear cells of people who have smoked before, who currently smoke, and those who have never smoked. Their blood samples will be run through a CyTOF machine, which utilizes a method of mass spectrometry to tag the components of the blood cells. Based on the research articles I've examined, particularly the one mentioned previously, I hypothesize that MIF CD74 is critical in protecting against CSE-induced chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and MIF CD74 augmentation will be therapeutic to those that are currently diseased. This method will show which proteins are present in the blood cells of the people who have never smoked versus those who used to smoke and those who currently smoke. This will help determine which proteins diminish in number due to smoking, helping the development of COPD. To accomplish this project, I'm working with my mentor, Dr. Patty Lee. She is a pulmonologist at Yale, which is where the research will be conducted. She will assist me with the acquisition of data since I am unable to access the lab myself due to age restrictions. After the data is collected, I will work to analyze it and see which proteins are present in different groups of people, whether or not my findings support my hypothesis. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.